Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Pete and this is Kussings, my patient for today, and Dr. Veterinarian, my wife, who is also a veterinarian. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate how to give oral medication to your dog, whether it is a fluid that you need to give with a syringe, a pill or a capsule, and I'll also reveal some of the best tricks in the book that you can try to make sure that your doggo gets his medication as needed. Now some dogs, like Kussings, are generally very tolerant when handled around the face area, especially around the mouth. So in these dogs, you may be able to get by giving the pill with your fingers. Others are much more aggressive, and these ones I will not recommend to use your fingers. So to start off, we're going to use our fingers as the most simple method. Alright, so you're going to use both your hands. So your first hand, your non-dominant hand, will be put over the dog's upper jaw to just kind of get a grip. With your second dominant hand, you'll pick up the pill between your thumb and your index finger, and you're going to use your other two fingers to basically just open the lower jaw. And then when the dog's mouth is open, you quickly pop the pill into the throat as fast as possible, which I will demonstrate now. And then after that, you just hold his head up like this, and you can even blow onto his face to make sure that he swallows, and just give him a bit of a rub. It's also very important to ensure that the dog is kept close to your body so that he'll feel a bit more secured. Again, if it's an aggressive dog, don't do this. Okay, for the next method, if you are a bit reluctant to put your own fingers inside the dog's mouth, you can use a tool such as a mosquito forceps or just a normal tweezer. You can basically just clamp the pill between the... Hey. Kussings. So you basically just clamp the pill in between the teeth of the forceps, which will represent your fingers in this case. Again, put the dog as close to your body as possible. Use your other hand to open the mouth, and then just insert as deep as possible into the mouth. Hold it upwards, give it a bit of a rub, and blow on the nose. There we go. And if you need to give any oral fluids, then it's basically the same principle. You open the mouth, you insert the nozzle of the syringe inside the mouth, and you gently, carefully give the fluids little by little. Don't squirt all of it at once, because that can go into the windpipe, into the lungs, and cause a pneumonia. So usually what we are looking out for is, you can see behind that canine tooth, we want to put the nozzle of the syringe just behind there, and then just slowly introduce the fluid. And then once again, make sure the dog is stable against your body. And then, little by little, allow him to swallow. Without causing him to choke. Well done. Alright, so if none of this works and you are a bit afraid of your dog that he might bite you, then the last method we can try is to hide the pill in some sort of food. Now, I won't really recommend using the food that is already used to, as this won't really be considered as a treat and your dog might still be reluctant to eat that. So what I'm using here is either some chicken or some nice restorative AD from Heels, which is a very high energy type of diet and very nutritious. Right, so if we're going to use the chicken, we are basically going to put the pill inside the chicken, trying to form like a hamburger. You need to try and hide as much of the pill as possible, so that the dog will kind of just devour the whole thing without thinking too much about it. And then just gently offer it to him, and let's see. There we go, all of it is gone. Chicken works great because it's easy to form, but if you don't have chicken, you can use any type of soft food. Like this. So again, just grab a bit of food. There we go. Put the tablet inside, make a nice patty, and then just offer the doggo. And as you can see, he didn't even think much about it. He just devoured the whole thing. There we go. Good boy. And that's it for today, guys. As you can see, it's not as difficult If you have any problems, let me know down in the comments. And if you found any value in this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. And please let me know what type of demo videos you'd like me to do on dogs in the future.
Yo, kussings, is het lekker?
And as always, have a lekker day and I'll see you in another video next week. Cheers! Kussings, jy maak of dit te maklik is.